Hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is in which case is the number of molecules of water maximum? So first is 18 ml of water, second 0.00224 liters of water vapors at 1 atom and atmospheric pressure and 273 Kelvin temperature. So third is 0.18 grams of water, and fourth is 10 raised to power minus 3 moles of water. So in this question, what they have asked that we have to find the number of molecules. So the major thing is that only we have to find out the number of molecules of the water for these four conditions, and out of these four, which have the maximum number of molecule is the correct answer for this uh, question. Okay, now here is the first, in which it was said that mass of water is 18 grams. So when we have to calculate the molecules is the moles into Na. So basically now the 18 uh, divided by 18 Na is the correct answer is Na. Okay. So the moles of water is equal to now 0.00224 upon 22.4, and the answer is 10 raised to minus 4. So the molecules of the water will be 10 raised to power minus 4 Na, and the third option is the molecule of water we have to find out. So it's going to be 0.818 upon 18. So the correct answer is 10 raised to the power minus 2 Na, and the fourth option is the molecule of water for the fourth option. So it was given that 10 raised to minus 3 moles, so 10 raised to minus 3 into Na. So according to all this, the correct answer will be the first one. Let's see what's the correct answer. Yeah, the correct answer is first option, because it has only Na and all other are having the 10 raised to the power minus something Na. So this one going to be the maximum number, which is the 80 ml of water has the maximum number of molecules. So thank